Hello everyone, I am Kenneth Brian Damicog, a BSMT student and currently studying at the University of Cebu METC. So now, we are going to talk about the Marpol Annex 5 and Annex 6. So now, what is Marpol Annex 5? Marpol Annex 5 is the regulations for the prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. It was came into force on December 31, 1988, and it specifies the distances from land in which materials may be disposed of and subdivides different types of garbage and marine debris. The most prominent part of the annex is the complete ban of dumping plastics into the ocean. But in the revised Marpol Annex 5 that came into force on January 1, 2013, it prohibits the disposal of all garbage at sea, with exception of food and other environment-friendly waste under specific regulations. And the law also allows for disposing waste at sea under emergency condition under 2018 amendment. It has management plan. So what is GMP? GMP is a complete guideline which comprises of a written procedure for collecting, storing, processing, and disposing of garbage generated on board ship. And a ship must display placards providing details of garbage discharge requirements, whether if it is what their length or also applicable for fixed and floating platforms. It also has record book, which is GRB, that contains many references to the estimated amount of garbage. Another regulation MBPC 70, which is came into effect on March 2018. The main change including addition of additional category or the e-waste in the garbage record book. And next is the Marpol Annex 6, which is the prevention of air pollution from ships. So, it was came into force on May 19, 2005, which has set rules on certain limits in NOS or nitrogen oxides and SOx, which is sulfur oxides, and new regulations of the pollution of air. This annex was composed of 19 regulations, and it is the main international treaty addressing air pollution prevention requirements from ship. Its objectives is to protect our ozone layer from the ozone depletion and its substances. So now, the ozone layer. The ozone layer absorbs harmful components of sunlight, which is known as the ultraviolet B. An ozone layer also absorbs 93 to 99% of UV rays from the sun. The effects of the air pollution is the acid rain, which is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components, such as sulfuric or nitric acid, that fall into ground from the atmosphere, which is can lead to corrosive effect, damage to trees and vegetation cover, and acidification of the surface water. The ozone depletion substances are the NOx, or nitrogen oxide, that are most relevant from air pollution. NOx gases are usually produced from the reaction among nitrogen and oxygen during combustion of fuels such as hydrocarbons in air, especially at high temperature such as engine. Next is the SOx or sulfur oxide, an irritating gas that is used to generate acids in industry and as a bactericide and disinfectant. It is derived from sulfur containing burning fuels. The gas is further oxidized when absorbed by water from particles in the atmosphere. Next is the exhaust gas cleaning system. It's a device that is installed on board marine vessel that quite literally scrubs harmful sulfur oxides from exhaust gases. The technology is commonly installed on ships seeking compliance options in the face of tighter emissions regulation. That's all everyone. All of that is about the Marpol Annex 5 and Annex 6. Hope that you get some information from me and my reflections. So again, this is Kenneth Brian Damicog. See you in my future videos. Goodbye.